In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Translate. We'll walk through the basics step by step, so by the end, you'll feel comfortable using it to translate words, sentences, or even entire paragraphs. First, you'll want to open your web browser. This can be any browser you like, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. In the address bar at the top, type Google Translate and press Enter. You should see a Google search results page with Google Translate right at or near the top. On many Google pages, especially if you're using a screen reader or keyboard navigation, you might notice a small link near the top that says Skip to Main Content. Go ahead and click on that. This link is there to help you jump past menus, banners, and other navigation items and get you straight to the part of the page where you actually do the translation. It's especially helpful for accessibility and also just speeds things up so you can focus on what matters. Once you've skipped to the main content, you'll see the main Google Translate interface. On the left side, there's a box where you type or paste the text you want to translate. On the right side, there's a box where the translation will appear. Above each box, you'll see language selectors. The one on the left is for the language you're translating from, and the one on the right is for the language you're translating to. If you're not sure what language the original text is in, you can set the left side to detect language. Google will automatically try to figure it out for you, which is really handy if you've copied text from a website or a message. On the right side, choose the language you want the text translated into, like English, Spanish, French, or any of the many other supported languages. Now, type or paste your text into the left box. Almost instantly, you'll see the translation appear in the right box. If you want to hear how it's pronounced, look for the small speaker icon near the text and click it to play the audio. That's all there is to it. By searching for Google Translate, using Skip to Main Content, and then choosing your languages and entering text, you can quickly translate what you need in just a few seconds.